I had 6 debts and no idea where to start. The snowball method paid off 4 of them in 18 months. What is the debt snowball? List all debts smallest to largest balance. Pay minimums on everything except the smallest. Attack the smallest with every extra dollar. Why it works psychologically. First payoff comes fast, creates momentum. Each win motivates the next attack. Behavior change matters more than math here. Step 1. List every debt. Credit cards, medical bills, personal loans, car. Write balance, minimum payment, interest rate. Sort by balance from smallest to largest. Step 2. Find the extra money. Every extra $50 per month accelerates the snowball. Sell something, cut a subscription, work one extra shift. The snowball only rolls if you feed it. Step 3. Roll each payoff forward. When debt 1 is gone, add its minimum to debt 2's payment. The payment amount grows, the debt shrinks faster. Each payoff makes the next one happen sooner. Download our free debt payoff tracker printable, link in description. New money tips Monday, Wednesday, Friday.